So I'm doing an inspection here on the Podocarpus, routine inspection that I do once every couple of while, and all of the plants seem good except for this little piece right here, and there's white stuff all over it. But I also noticed there's a little bit of aphids in the new growth. I don't know if you can see it there. There's aphids in the new growth. There is sooty mold on this, the blackness, but there's also this white stuff, and this is not normal. What it is, they just painted the house, and that's overspray from the house. That's not an insect. So the insect is the little white. So you see this little white, you're thinking it's all over. No, it's just in the new growth. There's aphids. What I'm going to do is I'm seeing quite a bit of sooty mold on it. It could have been the product did not take, the imidacloprid we use. I can see it in the new growth here. There's aphids in the new growth. I don't know if I can, let's see if I can, yeah, it's going to move it away. There's little aphids in there. But there's quite a bit of sooty mold on this one. But it happens to be only this one. My suspicion is that either it did not take, or the technician actually missed it during the systemic treatment. And this is why we do quality assurance inspections on, there's sooty mold, there's aphids, little white little things sticking out of there, and the sooty mold, the black mold. Because, hey, things fail, people make mistakes, but if we catch it, shouldn't be an issue. This one over here is really good. This one doesn't have any aphids, very little in the new growth, and this is normal sometimes in the new growth because the aphids like the new growth. It's easy to chew on, easy to suck on. They don't chew, they suck. But there is no sooty mold on the rest of the plant. Very little. I mean, just like a spot here and there. There is the shiny, there it is a little bit. See that shininess on that leaf right down here? That is from the excrement of the aphid, which is the honeydew. It's a sticky little gooey substance, which is their excrement, and then you can see it right there. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to just have these retreated as a precaution. I'm not going to take any chances. We just retreat it. If I catch something wrong during an inspection, we just simply correct it.